In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn the camera on in Google Meet. Whether you're attending a virtual meeting or catching up with friends, ensuring your camera is working properly is crucial for clear communication. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make sure you're camera ready for your next Google Meet session. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Google Meet website. You can do this by simply entering Google Meet into your preferred web browser. This brings you to Google's video conferencing service where all the magic happens. Once you are on the Google Meet landing page, the next thing to do is click on Start an Instant Meeting. This option is designed to get you into a meeting quickly without the need for prior scheduling. Think of it as your fast track to starting a conversation with anyone, anywhere. After clicking, you'll find yourself in a new meeting room where you can adjust your settings before inviting others to join. Now that you're in the meeting, it's time to turn your attention to the video settings to ensure your camera is operational. Look for the video settings option, which is usually depicted with a camera icon or found within the in-call interface. Clicking on this will allow you to access various settings related to video input. Next, you need to click on Settings. This step is crucial as it allows you to customize how your camera and microphone work during the meeting. When you open the settings menu, you'll find several tabs, including ones for audio and video. Today we're focusing on getting your video settings right. Within the video settings, you should see an option labeled Camera. Clicking on this will give you a list of available cameras that are connected to your device. If you have multiple cameras such as built-in webcams or external devices, this is the place to choose the one you wish to use. Finally, ensure that the selected camera is turned on and functioning correctly. You should see a preview of your video feed right there in the settings menu, allowing you to adjust things like position or lighting if necessary. If everything looks good, then you're ready to join your meeting with clear video. Remember, ensuring your camera is on and properly adjusted is a simple yet effective way to enhance your communication in a digital setting. It allows you to maintain that personal touch even in online meetings. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to turning your camera on in Google Meet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it assists you in creating more engaging and effective meetings. Thanks for watching and have a